Welcome to this demo of Agentic AI for SAP Business One. In this scenario, we'll see how a price list maintenance agent simplifies and automates the process of managing item pricing in SAP Business One. The user logs into the system and initiates the price list maintenance process. The user can enter or select a prompt, and the agent begins guiding the pricing update workflow intelligently. The process starts with selecting the required price list from the available list of pricing categories. Once the price list is selected, the user then selects the item codes from a drop-down list, and the system displays the current price item description. System checks price inconsistencies automatically. Once all changes are reviewed and confirmed, the agent updates the price list in SAP Business One accurately and efficiently. This demonstrates the power of Agentic AI, combining intelligent validation with automated price management to make SAP Business One faster, smarter, and more efficient. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the price list maintenance agent.